I? Guys, this is Fatal Outcast, and we are about to go and wash my dog. This is vlog day number 1, and I gotta say, I'm not going to be filming the whole thing, but I'm just going to give you guys, like, just the bits and pieces of what's going to be going on. Sorry if you can't see, like, my whole face. It's really bright, and the sun is not working with me today. So, let's go. Did I? We just got here and we found these awesome dog beds. And her foot.
Yeah.
Found that too. Anyway, so they're getting the bathtubs ready for us, and
Not us, the dog. Because they're not that close. Not yet.
the tub's ready. Okay, we're gonna go. Bye, guys. And now we're just gonna wash them off. That was gross. He looks so upset. He's just like, not today.
He's like just like, I'm ready to go into the park again.
Okay, so we're just gonna finish like washing off all the soap, and then we're gonna dry them off. See you guys. Oh gosh, Puppy, that went everywhere. We finally finished washing him, and he put up a serious fight. It's okay, Puppy, it's over. It's over now. It's over. He looks so unhappy.
He's like, I hate all of you.
I keep saying that, but like, he looks so unhappy.
Don't worry, the timer, I'm gonna feed you.
That moment when you tell the cashier that your name is Marco, so that they yell it and you just yell Polo. Okay, so my food just got here, and he said Marco, I said Polo.
And he looked like he was, he looked like that he thought he was saying thank you, and I was like,
What?
oh,
Oh no, I had an itch on my shoulder.
you were order 42, the meaning of life.
I worry about you sometimes. Okay. back in Petco because Caitlin left her ring while we were walking my dog, and they say somebody took it, so. Sure. My phone died, so I never actually got the chance to film the outro, so here's that. I announced that I was going to be posting videos every Wednesday, along with posting my videos every Saturday. This is because I tend to edit all of my videos in one sitting. Like, the video that you just watched, I stayed up until 7 a.m. in the morning just to finish it, even though I knew I didn't have to post it until Saturday. And I don't like putting in that much work with things, just knowing that it's going to sit there until the end of the week. So, that being said, I've already chosen what the next video is going to be, but that's a secret, so you guys are just going to have to stick around and find out. So anyway, before this gets too long, I hope you guys have a solid rest of your week, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye guys.
Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? I'm fine.